Today I am solving math Olympic problem, which is 1 over x plus 1 over y, which is 1 over 11. Let's find out x and y. So first of all, as we saw the equation 1 over x plus 1 over y, which is equal to 1 over 11. So take both sides, multiply x and y, x, y, x and y. As a result, x and y inside it x plus x and y over y, which is equal to x and y over 11. So eliminate it, whatever you want. X here eliminate, y here eliminate. What's the result? The result is this y plus x, which is equal to x and y over 11. So multiply it here. If we multiply it inside it, 11 y plus x, bracket close, x and y. Further, move on, 11y plus 11x, and here x, y. So now, if we take this out of there, we our result is x, y minus 11y minus 11x. So if we add and subtract, plus 121 minus 121, the result will be no change. So take it, if we saw y is here, take here and here y common. We take y common, y common. The remainder is x minus 11, and here minus 1 common. So remainder x minus 11 commons. Sorry. So here result will be x minus 11, and what's there is they minus it and equal side plus sign it, 21. So now the answer will be is y minus 11 x minus 11, which is equal to 121. As our equation will be that form, so now bring a multiply. If we saw multiply by 1, there's no change. So now if we separated them, we take a case, a separation between them, separate it. First, y minus 11, which is equal to 1, and this term will be x minus 11, which is equal to 121. So here y minus 11, they will go to that side, plus 11, y is equal to 12, and here x 121 plus 11, x is equal to 132. So what's the answer is y is 12 and x is 132. Now check it. Our equation will be 1 over, equation is 1 over x plus 1 over y, which is equal to 1 over 11. So take x and y in place in here. If we place 1 over x 132 plus 1 over y 12, equal 1 over 11. Now take the LCM. The LCM is 132. So plus here and 132, 12 the 11s are, which is equal to 1 over 11. So now if we further move on, plus 12 over 132, 1 over 11. 12 ones are and 12 elevens are. So if we our answer compare it, our x and y value, which is x is 132 and y is 12, which is our answer. So keep like and subscribe.